PIA project about Matter of the Life. We are some students of the CIDEB High School and we are in the group 314. Our teacher is Miss Cristina Ramirez and my team is made up of Andy, Ingrid, Leonor, Mariana, Adolfo, and me. Well, for our PIA, we are going to clean some areas near to the Universidad Autónoma de Nuevo León in Mederos, and we are going to see how much pollution is in there. After 3 days, we are going to return to see if it is dirty again.
Through history, the earth and the human being have been affected by different problems which damage them in different aspects. One of these, in recent years, has become popular because of the damage caused in the environment. This is the environmental pollution. Pollution is the act of introducing harmful materials to the environment. This results as damaging natural surroundings. These substances are referred as pollutants. Pollutants are so diverse. They can include chemical products, material wastes, light, heat, sound, among others. Due to the diverse nature of the pollutants, there are some types of pollution. For example, water pollution, soil contamination, or air pollution. While some of the pollution in the world is created by natural events such as volcanic eruptions and forest fires, most of the pollution in the world is created by human activities such as factories and cars. For this reason, it is important to be aware of this problem and take measures and actions to control and reducing the pollution.
In the last years, the environmental pollution has become a major problem that has negative effects in all living things and in nature. So the people must understand how serious it is. Ideally, people don't will perform actions that cause more damage to the environment, such as littering. But this cannot apply because, as we can see, most of places have trash. So we can compromise to collect trash to help the environment. Not only we can help the environment like this, also we can help the environment from our houses with easier actions such as classify trash, save energy, use ecological bags, and don't use straws.
First of all, pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is when gases, smoke, and chemicals are introduced into the environment in large quantities and make it harmful for humans, plants, and animals. Some forms of pollution can be seen, and some forms of pollution are invisible. Our air has an atmosphere that's made up of different gases, and the amount of these gases are just right to encourage life on our planet. We breathe air and we thrive on it. So now, thanks to the new advances in technology, there are new chemicals that are being introduced to the atmosphere, causing an imbalance in our planet. And as we may know, the most popular effect of this imbalance is global warming. So now, environmental pollution. Where is environmental pollution? This is the contamination of the environment by the introduction of contaminants that can cause damage to the environment or to the atmosphere, and it can harm or discomfort to humans or any other living species. It is also the addition of any substances to the environment at a rate faster than the environment can accommodate it by breakdown, recycling, or any harmless form. It's one of the greatest challenges that the world is facing today. It began since the Industrial Revolution, and it is increasing day by day, causing an irreversible damage to the Mother Earth. Environmental pollution has its own causes, effects, and solutions. Broadly, there are 6 main types of this pollution, that is air, water, land, soil, light, and noise. Some causes of the environmental pollution is industrial solid waste, domestic solid waste, carbon monoxide vehicles, trucking rubbish, and drinking sewage, and also the dirty lakes or rivers.
already cleaned the area in which we found a lot of trash, and we are going to see what happened in 3 days. We were surprised the first day about all the trash that we found around the area, and now we are surprised again before there is no trash in the area. We thought that it will be dirty again, but it isn't. We came 3 days ago to clean the area, and our hypothesis was that 3 days after, the area is going to be dirty again. But no, the area is clean and there is not trash, and there is not more polluted than the last time that we came.
In conclusion, we can see that garbage is a problem that we have as a society, and that we are the only guilty. We consider that this problem affects us all, and that every day that passes without being able to solve it is every day that we are damaging our environment. That is why we decided to perform this small cleaning in this area of our high school, to be able to contribute in some way to this problem, and to be able to notice how much the change was in a few days. In the same way, it is necessary that each person contributes with a small part to solve this situation, that every time becomes a major problem. If we don't solve at this time, we will suffer the consequences in the future. We can only say that we are happy with the change we have made and invite all people to contribute to this cause.